Hello everyone, I am Syed, teacher of Mount Litra Z School. In this video we will learn about the another type of graph that is called the pie chart. So this is this is the pie chart. There are two different types of pie chart. This pie chart shows the students spending 24 hours. So how he is spending his 24 hours. 8 hours sleeping, 4 hours homework, 3 hours others, 3 hours play and 6 hours school. This is another type of pie chart which shows the number of the population between the different ages group in a village. So in a village 0 to 14 years the population is about 30,000 and 60 years and above is about 20,000 and 15 to 60 years is about 50,000. So this is this is how we read and collect the information from pie chart. Pie chart we have also seen in various ways. Suppose that if you are watching a cricket match, there also they show the pie chart and give the whole life history of the cricket player. Even in a result also there is a pie chart. So now the another question, how to make the pie chart, how do we have to construct a pie chart. So here let's take the example. This is the example for which we have to construct a pie chart. There are the flavor of different flavors of chocolate, that is chocolate flavor, and this is the different flavors of ice cream, chocolate flavor, vanilla flavor and other flavor. And here the percentage of students who prefer the flavors of ice cream. So 50% of students are there who prefer chocolate, 25% vanilla and 25% prefer other flavors. So if you add them, so this is the total 100%. So this is about 100%. Now we have to convert this percentage or the values in a degree form, that is in an angle form. So we have to convert this for a angle. So we have to find the angle. So for chocolate this is 50%, to 50 upon 100 make a fraction. So fraction is always from the given value to the total value. So this is total is 100% and given value is 50. So 50 upon 100, 1 upon 2. We always multiply by 360 to convert it into an angle. So the fraction value to be converted in angle, we have to multiply by 360 degree. So here I have done all the calculations. For chocolate we got 180 degree, for vanilla we got the angle 90 degree and for others we got the 90 degree. Because both are 90 degree. Why? Because the values are same here. So here I already draw a circle. So this is the circle. So first draw a circle of any radius. So here I have drawn the circle of any radius. Now mark the center of a circle. So this is the center of a circle. From center we take a radius. So first mark the radius. Always this is the reference point. After marking a radius, since for chocolate flavor there is a 180 degree angle, so now use the compass and make a 180 degree angle from this reference line, from this radius line. So this is 180 degree. So 180 degree we got here. So draw a 180 degree line from this. So this is the 180 degree line. Okay. After, so we got the area in a circle for the chocolate. Okay. So this area is for the chocolate. Now take this as a reference line and draw 90 degree, because for vanilla flavor it is 90 degree. So again take the protractor, keep it this as a reference line and mark the 90 degree. So draw a straight line 90 degree. So here I am making a 90 degree line. So this is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. So if you see here, so this is the 180 degree line and this is 90 degree line and this is 90 degree line. Now the different area represent a different value. So this area is represent the chocolate, this represent the vanilla, and this represent the other flavors. So this is how we have to make the pie chart. Now come to the next topic, that is the probability. Probability. In probability, there is a probability means chance. Chance. What is the chance of doing? And we have to calculate the chance mathematically. So suppose that I take the example of a coin. The number of outcomes of a coin is 2. That is, one is head and another one is the tail. So there are 2 outcomes. The outcomes is called the events. Outcome is called the events. If in a question, if I ask what is the probability of getting head, if I toss the coin and what is the probability of getting head, the probability represented by P, and for getting head there is a formula. So first I write the formula. Probability is equal to favorable events upon total events. So in this question, if I ask what is the probability of head if a coin is tossed, so the total events here is 2, and for favorable we get 1 head, so 1 upon 2. The probability of getting head is 1 upon 2. Similarly, the probability of tail is 1 upon 2. Same. Okay. So I take another example, dice. So for dice, the total outcomes, the total event for dice is 6. If I say what is the probability of getting a odd number, so in dice there are 6 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The probability of getting a odd number, so there are 3 odd numbers, 1, 2 and 3. So the favorable events is 3, total event is 6, so the probability is 1 upon 2. So this is the formula for probability, that is favorable event upon total event. So I hope you will understood. Thank you.